Hello and welcome to today's video. I've got a bit of an update on the RiscPC motherboard from my system that had all of the battery damage. Here is the board. It's been sat for the past half an hour, immersed in white vinegar, and as you can see, I doubt this will actually have restored functionality, but we have neutralised, I believe, a lot of the damage that was actually done to this board. So looking at it, we don't seem to have any of the green, horrible sort of green corrosion that we had. Right, so the next thing we need to do is to wash the board down using some deionized water, so basically distilled water, for battery maintenance and steam irons. So let's have a look at what it's actually done here. It's actually brought back some of the copper, and I think if I try to actually repair this, I may actually get a bit further trying to repair it, because it has brought back some of the points where the resistors would actually be soldered onto. So I could actually try soldering on some new resistors and trying to remake these tracks somehow, possibly using some very thin wire. So let's give it a bit of an extra scrub. Yeah, that is looking a lot better. I'm not sure if it'll do anything, but it will be interesting to see what happens. Right, the next step is to clean it off with some distilled water, so let's do that now. So I'll just demonstrate what I've been doing, and it's quite literally spray and let it trickle down the board, and repeat this process on both sides. Deionized water isn't too expensive, and a whole jug of it should be enough to rinse down the entire board. There we go. And this side. There we go. So that's actually done now. Just let that shake it down. This now needs to dry thoroughly, somewhere dry and for several days. I actually have the ideal place for this. So because of the age of property that we live in, I have a couple of dehumidifiers just to remove any sort of moisture in the air, and at the moment the dehumidifier is operational, so I'm going to leave the board with the dehumidifier and just leave it there overnight. Anyway, that's it for the moment. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.